everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard? Oh no pretty? Everything correct? Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right over in West India and the Lights, welcome once more. Thank you so much. Now today, this is just a small video. Not a lot of information and not a lot of cooking, but really important. Now a few people had asked in the comment section, Debbie, can we make curry gravy without cooking curry, mutton curry, chicken curry, whatever? Yes, I'm here to say yes, you can. This is what I'm about to show you today. You need your flame up, almost high, and we're going to proceed. You need your kettle boiling. You need some curry powder. Hello, please. Hello, please. It's my kettle, y'all. I am very serious when it comes to curry. Please to select a decent color curry powder. Mind you, not all times the color of the curry powder is what it looks like. You know, sometimes the curry powder looks pretty, but it's the flavor that you're looking for, you never normally get it. But do not choose the curry flavor we have something like here. So don't choose the white curry flavors. You will never ever succeed with it. This is Indian curry, not the darker one. This is one of the Indian curry, and you have the darker one. I always buy curry here, and once you find a decent curry powder that is good, please to stick to it. Stick to that brand, okay? They didn't have the darker one, but this is still Indian curry, and honestly sometimes that one had look like it nicer to me, so I'm going for this. I cannot say it's a specific brand because I buy it in bulk. I buy it at the factory, but it's really good. So you want to have a reasonable amount of oil, yes, because we're going to mix. I'll tell you, I'll link for you in the description the proportion. So what you want to do first and foremost, you want to flavor up your oil, and you know, so we have some celery stalks here, chopped, scallion, ginger, garlic, right in. Because look here, you know, you have to know how you're doing this curry sauce. Normally, you would be doing mutton, okay? You would be doing mutton or chicken. So you would season up your thing with all of this, right? And if you're using powdered seasoning, maybe you're not gonna want to omit that process here and just burn the curry by itself, huh? You might want to omit that process and burn the curry by itself. But look at what is happening inside here. We have got to infuse this oil to get the flavor, and I've said this so many times on the videos. When you're using your herbs, you use the herbs, saute them to get the flavor, okay? And I'm using some fried chicken oil, mind you. You're making curry gravy, and if once your fried chicken oil is good and it's clean and nice, flavorful, that's another flavor again. The curry is packed with flavors, okay? So look at this now. We're going to put in the curry. Big and serious. And you're going to start now. This is what you want to start doing. High heat, flame up, and then the aroma of your curry powder. Almighty God, you should be here. I just want you to understand how you choose your curry powder. So you're going to rub. All who can't take to here the spoon, I'm sorry y'all, but I've got to show you this process. You know? But you need to, if it is bothering your nerves, you need to get some of the soursop leaf, man, and drink it. Look at this, y'all. Now you're burning. Now you've got here some pimento powder. Family, you can't put whole of pimento seed in this thing. You want the flavor to come out. Look at what is happening. Look at it. So you're rubbing out this thing, and now you see it's frothing. You're burning the curry. When you burn the curry is being partially cooked. So after you burn the curry to this extent, and you're going to cook it again for another half an hour, you look here. You're safe the curry can't give you no diarrhea again, okay? And this is the process of cooking the perfect curry every single time. Look at it. So you're burning. Remember, the curry has a little sort of powder, have a little sort of seediness to it. And let me tell you something, the flavor is so good. Now, flame down to low. Put the camera for me. Why? You're going to pour some hot water into this now. And you don't want everything coming up in your face because these flavors are strong. If you have your allergy, it might just ready for you. And like how me not have none of them range with something. So flame down. Cooling it down to add the boiled water. Not cold water. Boiling water. I hope you're all keen on this information. Okay, y'all? Now, pour in. So what you see what I'm telling you about? Okay, pour in, constantly stirring on low heat, low heat. Okay, low heat. Now look at this. Now you can come up a little bit now to a little less than medium. This is the color of your curry. It's not finished, but this is the color you're gonna have. Now you're gonna cook this, constantly stirring and watching it on an almost too low, because you don't want it drying out, because you're going to have to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes to be out of the woods with this curry, giving you diarrhea. Okay, y'all? Now you want to do a little tasting, because remember saying I put the salt in it, but this curry powder, it comes with salt, so you might not want to salt it, but you got taste. I told you these curry powders, they came with salt. Alright, this tastes a bit salty to me, right? So I don't think I'm gonna need any salt, but it's up to you when you get your curry, your brand of curry. Now this is the color of your curry powder. We're gonna leave it to cook down with these herbs, and also to get the curry to be properly cooked for 25 to 30 minutes the least. You don't have to go for the 30 minutes. 25 minutes won't kill you. Okay? So we're gonna leave that, and we're gonna cover. So when we look at it, look at the heat you're gonna leave it on. Mind you, when we come back, we might want it might dry. If you see it's dry now, you put a little more. Not cold water, please. I'm saying to you all, okay? Hot water. So you're constantly stirring it because you want it to get it together, You see? Okay, so when we return, when we come back, we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna strain off all of them koro there. Yeah, koro patwa. And you need to be over on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. So we're gonna strain off all of those to get a smooth looking curry sauce. But we have some like more things to put with it to make it look rich, taste good, and ready for the road when we come back. Okay, now family, about 28 minutes, and this is what we have. Hello, you cannot serve the curry sauce with all of them sort of things inside it. That is totally unacceptable. So what we're gonna do right here, I'm gonna be coming over to my sink and I'm gonna strain off what I have here. Okay? Please be careful, family. Please be careful. So you want to just, when you strain it off, you just want, to rub out. And you just want to get all of these things because they have already infused this curry gravy. Okay, it's not fully gravy yet, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it now to get it to gravy. So camera girl, get right in. This is what you're going to have. Okay? Wow, a bit messy. But this is here curry. All strained off curry sauce. You can rinse out this too with a little bit of water. Okay. Now we're gonna notch our flame up. It's gonna start boiling. But look at it. No body. No body at all. It don't have no thickness. No body. There's no thickness in it. Alright. What I've done here, you might want to use cornstarch, or I don't know what you want to use, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I have gone ahead and cooked off Irish potato. So I'm going to go now puree it over there. I want a little thickness to this thing. So we're going to go puree off camera. Okay, now family, we pureed off our Irish potato. This is what we have. Remember, the Irish potato is cooked in. So you're going to constantly pour in while stirring. You want a little body to the curry. Okay? Now, we're going to put some grated ginger, because look here, we want to taste the ginger curry, you know. Okay? And we're going to put, not ginger, this is garlic. And we're also going to grate a little more ginger at this point. So you're putting in a little extra garlic and a little extra ginger grated. You're going to notch your flame up a bit, and you're trying to get the thickness, and you notice it is coming. Look at the richness and the thickness of it, but you don't want to get it up too high. Okay, now the flavors are coming out. Hello, please. Remember, so we never put no pepper in this thing. I want some pepper. This is some red peppers, y'all. This is not Scotch bonnet, but it's a brand of common pepper, which is very hot. So I'm going to cut up all of this. Do to your liking the amount of spice that you can manage. Seeds and all. Seeds and all if you want a spicy curry. This is curry, seeds and all. Okay. Just a little cumin, not a lot. Wow, just to gig it up a bit, y'all. Okay. So now, flame up a bit. Wow, look at the creaminess and the niceness. Look at the color of the curry gravy. This is curry gravy, y'all. So you want to get your flame up a bit, a little more, because you want to get this nice thickness. Okay, so we're going to let it cook, yes. And maybe another 2 to 3 minutes. It's properly cooked now, you know, but you're just trying to, you know, get a little thickness and get, because look here, this curry, okay, I'm sorry y'all, my rag dropped. My face rag dropped. This curry here, it must taste the ginger, for tasting it, and the garlic and the pepper. Yes. Good curry sauce, good curry, anything. You must taste the pepper, the ginger, and the garlic. So that's why I put a little in case, then let it fade out. Pep it up a bit. So look at what is happening. And you're going to stir too, because you want to get the body. Look at the creaminess, look at the beauty. So look here, if you have your roti, you know, you can dip it in this, you know. You have your mashed potato, you can just smother it over it, your white rice. And look here, I told you all about curry gravy and fried chicken. Fried fish and curry gravy. Mwah. Now look at this. Wow, camera girl, get right in on this. Right in, camera girl. Look at this consistency. Look at it, y'all. Look at it, y'all. Flame down. Flame down. And we're gonna go clean up a bit. When we come back, we'll present to you our curry. We need to taste. We need to taste for salt perfection. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Let me turn it down. You don't want your thing drying out. We need to taste for spiciness and salt perfection. Every good curry must be spicy. We're gonna taste. We can take a pinch, just a little troops of salt. So is your salt bottle? Your hands are clean? They must be clean. This is what a tubes is, y'all. This is a tubes. It's a tubes. And that goes a long way to bring up the flavor. And this is good. One more time, camera girl, get right in. Let us turn it up high to let you see what is happening. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to pour it in this. And we don't want to be pouring it and it makes mess, because from this pot to this might make some mess. So we're gonna go off camera just to pour it in the dish so as it not to make a mess. Okay, so if it makes a mess, we wouldn't have to waste time to be cleaning up on camera. So your gravy is ready, and your pepper is there, because you've got to serve it with the pepper inside of it. Who wants pepper can have pepper. Right off. Look at the beauty. Look at the consistency of your just plain, simple, natural pork gravy. All plated, and this is what you have. Right in on it, camera girl. All plated. This is your curry gravy on its own. This doesn't need any garnish, y'all. All this needs is some nice steaming hot rice with some fried chicken, rice and peas, some mashed potatoes, and you know the rest. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell so you will not be left out. Remember, it's Easter. Don't worry. A lot of you are saying that you are not seeing the ingredients, but the ingredients are not in the video that you're looking for. I'm sorry. We did that bun on a journey. I'm coming to you to redo the Easter bun, and I'm coming with an Easter bun recipe for my diabetic subscribers. Okay, y'all? Remember, you know, curry gravy. You know, anything you want to do with it, you do with it. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless. No stress.